The summer food program in Florida through the Florida Department of Agriculture and Consumer Services is a program that I have some experience with as I work with the Florida Department of Health. We conduct their food hygiene inspections every summer, and I've seen a lot of great work that this program does to provide food for some areas of our counties that otherwise the kids would literally have nothing to eat throughout the summer. When we visualize hunger in America, images of the homeless, canned food drives, and soup kitchens flood our minds. What is less evident and just below the surface is the growing epidemic of childhood hunger. The startling realization that for many children, the only substantial meal that they will receive may come during the school day. But what happens during the summer? Feeding Florida, a 14-member network of Florida food banks supporting numerous local meal-based charitable programs, releases studies based on client interviews, census data, and population information to understand the scale of the problem of food insecurity in Florida. The most recent publication, released in 2015, revealed that 17% of Florida residents struggle with hunger, including the most vulnerable of populations, more than 1 million children. Compared to the rest of the country, Florida ranked 10th for overall food insecurity and 8th for childhood food insecurity. Individual county studies indicate that 53 of 67 Florida counties had childhood food insecurity percentages that exceeded 15%. Of these counties, our very own Alachua County ranked 4th. Clearly, there is a need for programs that provide supplemental meals for children in particular. Even in regions of Florida that appear comprised of mostly middle or upper middle class citizens, no community is immune to food insecurity. The Florida Department of Agriculture and Consumer Services initiated a summer food service program to bridge the gap for those kids that cannot meet their dietary needs when school is not in session. This program targets all children 18 years of age and younger and provides quality food, both breakfast and lunch, free of charge. Feeding sites are selected based on the needs of the local area as determined by local government and the Florida Department of Agriculture, utilizing local resources and infrastructure to prepare and distribute quality food. The department reimburses or distributes funds to local sites that's filtered from the U.S. Department of Agriculture. To ensure good food hygiene practices are maintained, the Florida Department of Health in each county conducts inspections at each site during operation. These inspections check equipment, food temperatures, heating and cooling practices, all to prevent the spread of foodborne illness. The summer food program represents just one way that we can reduce food insecurity among Florida's kids. No child should have to worry where their next meal is going to come from.